Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have Instagram. Now open Threads and sign in with the same account so your identity and followers carry over. Once logged in, sync your profile and privacy settings to control who sees your content. Now tap the new thread button, add text or image, and set audience visibility. This first post establishes tone and connections, so pick a clear opener. Make sure to add relevant hashtags and mentions for discoverability before you hit post. You want your thread to be useful and easy to scan, so craft the first line as a hook and follow with concise supporting sentences. Once done, attach images or polls to increase engagement and include 1 to 3 hashtags plus mentions to guide discovery. Use drafts or scheduling tools if you're planning a series, and when replying, nest responses to keep conversation coherent. Make sure to preview before posting to check formatting, links, and media placement. You're ready to publish. Hit post and then actively monitor replies to respond quickly and steer the conversation. Once live, pin key replies, mute or block abusive accounts, and use analytics to learn what resonates so you can iterate. If a post fails to publish or media won't upload, try logging out and back in, clearing cache, or updating the app. If that does not work, contact support with screenshots. Keep testing small changes to improve reach and clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.